The first thing that will stop you from leaving your mooring after purchasing a boat is a motor that won't start because your boat batteries are flat. Your boat's batteries and your boat's engine have a symbiotic relationship. The engine won't start without a charge from the battery, and the battery is charged from the engine. Well, that's a very simple explanation. So run your engine regularly, even if you never go sailing. Another thing that will prevent you from leaving your mooring is your COF certificate, which is not transferable from the previous owner to the new owner, and so it has to be redone. COF stands for Certificate of Fitness, and it deals mostly with your safety equipment. So I've been going through the boat, and the fire extinguisher service has expired, and all the flares have also expired. So there's some work that we'll have to do before we can get our COF.